So in this video we're going to do a manual update process for the GoPro Fusion. So we open up the GoPro website, we will go to support, top right, and we will scroll down to product updates. All the cameras will be there, including Karma. Click on Fusion, and we will see the release notes for what the update is, and we will choose update your camera manually at the bottom of the page. Insert your serial number, an email address, and tick the box that says you agree to the terms. You will download the update, which will pop up in the bottom of your screen as a zip file. We will need to unzip that. The Mac actually does it automatically, but some Windows computers you will have to extract it manually. All the instructions are on the page, step by step. You only have to insert the update onto one of the SD cards of the Fusion, SD card 1, and the instructions are at the bottom of the page telling you how to do the update afterwards. Once you power on the camera, make sure the camera is fully charged. Update folders extracted, 3 files inside. In the SD card you have these folders, and what we need to do is we need to drag the update and drop it straight onto the SD card. When you click on it now, you will see the update folder is inside the root of the SD card. You can eject that card. Once you've ejected it, you can now insert it into your camera, and when you power it on, it will say 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and then a tick to say that it's complete. Now, what may happen is it will power on and off a couple of times. Just let the camera do its thing, and then you will see it's complete. And that's how you do a manual update.